Have you ever wondered what life would look like if we could harness the power of the entire universe? This is not a question from a science fiction novel, but a real concept considered by many scientists and philosophers. Imagine a world where civilizations are not just categorized by their cultural or technological achievements, but by the sheer magnitude of energy at their disposal. This is the realm of cosmic civilizations, a scale so vast that it transcends our earthly limitations. In the midst of these colossal civilizations, there's one that stands out. A civilization so advanced, it could use the energy of the entire universe. This is what we call a Type 5 civilization. A civilization not bound by the confines of a planet, a star, or even a galaxy, but one that has the entire cosmos as its playground. The concept is mind-boggling, isn't it? Let's delve into the fascinating world of Type 5 civilizations. To understand the concept of a Type 5 civilization, we first need to understand the Kardashev scale. The Kardashev scale, named after the Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev, is a method of measuring a civilization's level of technological advancement. The scale is based on the amount of energy a civilization is able to harness and utilize. Starting with a Type 1 civilization, this is a society that can harness all the energy available on its home planet. Think of a civilization that has completely mastered renewable energy and can manipulate weather systems at will. Next, we have a Type 2 civilization. These are societies that have taken things a step further and can harness all the energy from their host star. Imagine a civilization that builds structures around their sun, capturing every bit of solar energy. Then we reach Type 3 civilizations, societies that harness the energy of an entire galaxy. We're talking about civilizations that can manipulate stars and even black holes. But what happens when we go beyond a Type 4 civilization? That's where the concept of a Type 5 civilization comes into play. A Type 5 civilization, a concept so grand it's beyond our current comprehension. Now let's dive into the vast expanse of this idea. The concept of a civilization that has advanced to such an extent that it has harnessed the energy of the entire universe. Think about this for a moment. All the stars, galaxies, and cosmic events, from supernovae to black holes, every iota of energy in existence, harnessed and utilized by a single civilization. It's a concept that truly pushes the boundaries of our imagination. It's like an ant comprehending the complexity of the human world. But that's just the beginning. A Type 5 civilization, with such limitless energy at its disposal, could potentially manipulate space-time itself. Imagine, if you will, a civilization with the ability to bend the fabric of reality to its will. They could possibly create wormholes for instantaneous travel across the universe, manipulate time, or even create entirely new universes. Such a civilization would have long since transcended any biological or technological limitations. They would likely be beings of pure energy or consciousness, unbound by the physical laws that govern us. They would have mastery over the fundamental forces of the universe, from gravity to electromagnetism, and could potentially even control the rate of expansion or contraction of the universe itself. However, it's important to remember that this is all purely theoretical. The concept of a Type 5 civilization is based on extrapolations of our current understanding of physics and the universe. We can't even begin to fathom the true capabilities of such a civilization or the nature of their existence. Are they physical beings or something else entirely? Do they still experience time in the way we do, or have they transcended it? But isn't that the beauty of it? This concept, while purely theoretical, allows us to dream about the potential future of humanity. It urges us to strive for the stars, to push the boundaries of our understanding, and to imagine the unimaginable. After all, who knows what the future holds? Perhaps one day, we too could become a Type 5 civilization. The implications of a civilization reaching this level of advancement are truly mind-boggling. Imagine a society so advanced, it could potentially harness the energy not just of a single galaxy, but of multiple galaxies, perhaps even the entire universe. This would be a civilization that has transcended our current understanding of physics and technology. One possible implication of such a civilization is the ability to travel through time. As they harness the energy of entire galaxies, they might be able to manipulate the fabric of space-time itself. They could visit the past to witness the birth of the universe or leap into the distant future to see its ultimate fate. Another possibility is the colonization of the universe. With the energy of multiple galaxies at their disposal, a Type 5 civilization could send out colony ships to every corner of the universe. They could create new homes on distant worlds, terraforming inhospitable planets into lush, green paradises. Now let's talk about immortality. With advancements in medical technology and potentially even the ability to transfer consciousness into new bodies or machines, a Type 5 civilization could effectively conquer death. Its inhabitants could live for thousands, perhaps even millions of years, experiencing the universe in ways we can barely comprehend. But what challenges might such a civilization face? For one, there's the risk of a catastrophic event, such as a supernova or black hole, that could wipe out entire galaxies. Moreover, managing resources across multiple galaxies could prove to be a logistical nightmare. And let's not forget the potential for internal strife or conflict. How would a civilization spanning galaxies maintain unity and order? Another challenge could be the question of purpose. What does a civilization do when it has conquered death, colonized the universe, and has all the energy it could ever need? What is left to strive for? The possibilities are limitless and only bound by our imagination. Yet as we ponder these implications, we must also ponder our own civilization's path. Will we one day reach this level of advancement, or will we falter before we even get the chance? Only time will tell. While the concept of a Type 5 civilization is currently beyond our reach, it's fascinating to ponder. We've journeyed through an exploration of the Kardashev scale, delving into the unimaginable power and potential of a Type 5 civilization. This hypothetical society, harnessing energy on a multiverse scale, is an idea that pushes the boundaries of our understanding. We've considered the implications of such an advanced civilization, the technological wonders they might possess, the ways they might interact with their multiverse, and the profound impact this would have on our current understanding of reality. As we reflect on the potential future of humanity, we consider our place in the universe. We're at the dawn of our cosmic journey, just beginning to explore the vast expanse of space. While we dream of a future where we reach the stars and beyond, let's continue to strive for advancements in our own civilization. After all, every journey begins with a single step.